Hello and welcome to the Netdata 1.39 release notes. In this release, you will find the all-new and improved Charts v3. There are tons of new features in the likes of brand new ways of filtering metrics using the new drop-down menus, allowing you to pivot the data in any way possible. The anomaly rate has now its own ribbon, allowing you to spot anomalies in an instant, and hovering over certain elements of the chart now reveals in-depth information about the current metrics. Windows support. We are excited to announce that our Windows monitoring capabilities have been greatly improved with the addition of over 170 new system, network, and application metrics. This includes out-of-the-box support for MS Exchange, MS SQL, IIS, Active Directory including AD Certificate, and AD Federation services. To try out Netdata directly on your Windows machine, our MSI installer allows for quick and easy installation with a Netdata WSL distribution. Virtual nodes and custom labels. Easily slicing and dicing the metrics via grouping and filtering in our charts is essential for exploration and troubleshooting, which is why in the past we introduced host labels and default metric labels. To complete the available toolset, Netdata now offers the ability to define custom metric labels. You can use custom labels to group and filter metrics in the Netdata Cloud aggregate charts in a way that ultimately makes sense to you and your team. Virtual nodes work like normal Netdata Cloud nodes for the metrics you assign to them and can be added to any room. The ability to define a virtual node is a new feature that is essential for monitoring remote Windows hosts, but has many other potential uses. For example, you may have a central monitoring node collecting data from many remote database hosts that you aren't allowed to install software on. You may also use the HTTP endpoint collector to check the availability and latency of APIs on multiple remote endpoints. Defining virtual nodes lets you substantiate those entities that have no Netdata running on them, so they can appear in Netdata Cloud, be placed in rooms, filtered and grouped easily, and have their virtual node name displayed in alerts. Bar charts for functions. In version 1.38, we introduced real-time functions that enable you to trigger specific routines to be executed by a given agent on demand. Our initial function provided detailed information on currently running processes on the node, effectively replacing top and IO top. We have now expanded the versatility of functions by incorporating configurable bar charts above the table, displaying detailed data. These charts will be a standard feature in all feature functions, granting you the ability to manipulate and analyze the retrieved data as needed. Console and Envoy monitoring. We now have full support to monitor HashiCorp console, including their new data plane model and Envoy sidecar monitoring. Apps Genie notifications for business plan users. Ensuring the reliable delivery of alert notifications is crucial for maintaining the reliability of your services. Netdata Cloud adds centralized control and more robust retry and failure handling mechanisms to improve the reliability of the notification delivery process. Business plan users can now configure Netdata Cloud to send alert notifications to their Atlassian Ops Genie platform using our centralized alert dispatching feature. This feature helps to ensure the reliable delivery of notifications, even in cases where individual agents are offline or experiencing issues. And these are our highlights, but there are way more at our full release notes, so make sure to take a look in the description to read more. Thanks for watching and make sure to stick around for more.